Hello friends, today we are going to start with 8th standard CBSE board maths new topic Pythagorean triplet. Before learning the concept of Pythagorean triplet, we will understand the theorem of Pythagoras first. Okay, so for that purpose, now let's consider the right angle triangle ABC, in which angle B is your right angle. Okay, AB and BC are right angle making sides, that is they intersect each other or they meet each other orthogonally at point B, that is they make 90 degrees angle at the point of contact, that is angle B is your right angle. Now the side opposite to right angle B here in this case is AC, which is hypotenuse. We all know that. Okay. Now what does the theorem of Pythagoras says? It says square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. What it means? Square of the hypotenuse, that is square of AC square, is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides, that is square of AB square plus square of BC square, that is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay. So Pythagoras theorem says that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now this theorem is applicable only to right angle triangles. Okay. Now how are we going to use this Pythagoras theorem for finding the Pythagorean triplet? Okay. So for that, let's consider one example. Suppose if the length of AB is 3 cm, BC is 4 cm, then we can find out the length of AC, that is this hypotenuse. Okay, by using this relation, this Pythagoras theorem. Okay, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So we have AC square is equal to, what is AB? 3. So AB square will be 3 square plus what is BC? 4. So BC square will be 4 square. So 3 square plus 4 square will be 9 plus 16, because square of 3 is 9 and square of 4 is 16. So we got AC square is equal to 25. Okay. Therefore AC will be square root of 25, which is 5 centimeter. So we got AC square as 5 centimeter. Okay. So by using this relation or by using the statement of Pythagoras theorem, we found out the length of third side when the lengths of other two sides are given. Okay. In this case, now 3, 4 and 5, that is 3, 4, 5, which are the lengths of all three sides of a right angle triangle, is called a Pythagorean triplet. 3, 4, 5 is called a Pythagorean triplet. In this case, 3 is your shortest side and 5 is your longest side, which is the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle. Now in your textbook, they have provided you one general formula for finding Pythagorean triplet. Okay. Now what is that formula? Okay. Now they are saying that for any m which is a positive even integer, that is which is greater than 0, that is positive, and even integer, we can have the Pythagorean triplet as 2m, m square minus 1, m square plus 1. Okay, so for any m which is positive even integer, we can use this formula. And for any n which is greater than 0, that is positive but odd integer, okay, we can use this formula: n square minus 1 upon 2, n square plus 1 upon 2. Okay, here both the formulas are same. For even integer I am using the letter m, and for odd integer I am using the letter n. So you can use any of these formulas. Okay, so this is the formula, general formula for finding the Pythagorean triplet. In our next videos we will be solving the examples of finding the Pythagorean triplet. Till then, goodbye and